Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and today I'm excited to be here with RHINOSHIELD's brand new CircularNext cases for the iPhone 15 series. So like other RHINOSHIELD cases, these are going to be very protective, offer over 11 feet of drop protection, and they come in both MagSafe and non-MagSafe versions, and they are made of a food-grade plastic, which is BPA free. But what is really special about them is that they are made of 100% recycled phone cases, and they are 100% recyclable. So the material that these are made of is a monomaterial. It can go through 6 cycles. So this one is on its 2nd cycle of rebirth. Can go 4 more times, so that is really exciting. And overall, these cases are just really, really nice. They got a great feel in the hand and an excellent fit on the phone. Let's take a closer look. Looking at the construction of the CircularNext cases, these are made of a proprietary form of TPE called Shock Spread Eco. It's going to give you that 11 feet of drop protection, and it also results in a very slim and lightweight case. The case has a good amount of flex to it, not super rigid. You have swappable buttons and camera rims with these cases, so you can switch these out very easily for a nice new look. This case also has a pleasant amount of texture underneath the fingertips. It is not as slippery as the SolidSuit. And you have a spot here for a lanyard if you want to attach one, although one does not come included with the case. Looking on the interior here, you have kind of a honeycomb pattern here that helps make this case more protective. And the MagSafe here is available, but it is optional, so you can save money if you don't want a MagSafe case. But if you do want a MagSafe case, these MagSafe magnets are twice as strong as your Apple standard ones. So really nice, strong magnets with this case. And again, these cases are made from a material which is BPA, BPF, and BPS free and food grade, so one less thing to worry about. You might be thinking that this new CircularNext case has a whole lot of similarity to RHINOSHIELD's SolidSuit case, and you would be right. So the CircularNext is going to have exactly the same dimensions as compared to RHINOSHIELD's SolidSuit. So same height, same width, same thickness, same weight, same 11 feet of drop protection. The only real difference that I see between these two is that you've got more texture with the CircularNext, which is a really welcome development in my opinion. So you got a textured back and textured sides as opposed to the SolidSuit, which is quite slick. But other than that, very, very similar cases. And it's not a huge surprise, I suppose, because your CircularNext is made from recycled SolidSuit cases as well as recycled CircularNext cases. So when they take SolidSuit cases, which are sent in for recycling, it's really easy to break these down into pellets because these have a monomaterial construction, and then those pellets are used to make CircularNext cases. Putting the CircularNext on the iPhone 15 Pro is not difficult. You want to start on your left-hand side, and then go over to your right-hand side and clip on your right-hand corners. So once on, we got a really good fit on here. There is basically no give. I mean, maybe the tiniest amount around your buttons and port openings, but other than that, excellent tight fit on here. And as far as the amount of lip is concerned, you have a good amount of protective lip on here. I do have a tempered glass screen protector on here. If I didn't have this on here, you would see more visible lip, but even with it, you've got plenty of protective lip around the screen. This is one of the Flow Lab screen protectors on here, the Flow Lab One Time 3D. So really great screen protector on here. Looking down here at our port openings, you've got plenty of space for most third-party USB-C cables, but unfortunately we still have this design that has symmetrical port openings on here for the asymmetrical port design of the phone. So that's not ideal, but it's not exactly a deal breaker. So going around the sides, we got a spot here for a lanyard, and then I'm really happy again that we have a little bit of texture on these sides. Feels much better than the super slick SolidSuit. Going up here to our buttons, nice, clicky, everything works great, got a covered action button, and if you don't want these purple buttons, you can switch them out for another color, so that's exciting. Button color sets are 99 cents per button color set if you buy them at the same time as you do the phone case. If you buy them at a separate time, then it's going to be $1.99. And then going up here to the top, you can see we got a nice fit on here. Nice amount of lip around the screen. Everything looks great. And then going over here to our side button, again, this one is really responsive, and then we've got some RHINOSHIELD branding down here at the bottom. Looking at the back of the case, I think everything looks great. So we've got this beautiful variegated color here as a part of the CircularNext process. Makes your case unique. You've also got that nice amount of texture here on the back. Makes this case quite a bit less slippery than the SolidSuit case. I wouldn't never say that this is a grippy case, but it's definitely less slippery. I think this material should be good against fingerprints and should be reasonably good against scratching, and overall just has a really nice look and feel, very slim and lightweight. So you got a nice amount of protection here for your rear camera, and of course you can switch out the camera rings for different colors, so that's fun. Overall, just a really great look and feel here. So this case is going to work great with regular Qi wireless charging, and of course, because it's got super strong magnets, 2 times the strength of Apple's magnets, it's going to work great with MagSafe charging as well. So nice strong magnetic connection here, everything's great, and of course you can use this with other MagSafe accessories as well. So lots to love here with the CircularNext. Removing this case from your phone is really easy. Start in your top right-hand corner, push off that corner, go down to the bottom right-hand corner, push off that corner, and then pull out your phone. As I mentioned, it's really fun and easy to switch out your buttons and your camera rings on this for a splash of color. So let me just show you how to do that really quick. All you need to do is press inward to remove the ones that are already in place, and then you press outward with your new colors. So I just changed this for blue. Do the same thing here with our other buttons. These are very easy to swap out. And then the same thing goes for your camera rings. So again, you're going to press inward to remove the old one. And then you need to go from the inside to put your new ring in place. Just put it in there and press outwards. And then, all set. Brand new look. So overall, I think we've got a really great case here with the new CircularNext from RHINOSHIELD. So this has all of the advantages of RHINOSHIELD's SolidSuit case. It's got that 11 feet of drop protection, food grade material, which is BPA free, lovely sleek profile, lightweight, and swappable buttons and camera rims. However, this also has more texture, so it's less slippery, and it comes with that fantastic 100% recyclable, 100% recycled content. So I think that is absolutely fantastic. Love that mono material commitment that they are making, and I really think that RHINOSHIELD's going in the right direction for this. The CircularNext cases are available directly from RHINOSHIELD. They're going to be priced at $29.99 for the standard version and $44.99 for the MagSafe version, and they're currently only available for the iPhone 15 series phones. There's 2 colors available, Sky Violet that you saw in this review, and a lovely color called Sky Peach, and you can save 10% on your RHINOSHIELD purchase, assuming you meet the minimum purchase requirement of $50 if you use the affiliate coupon code, especially for my viewers, which is the Tech Reviewer 88. Many thanks to the kind folks at RHINOSHIELD for sending me out these samples to review. If you have any questions about these cases or anything else, please feel free to put them in the comments section below, and I'll do my best to answer them. And do consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.